Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Alright, we're starting off today trying to take care of several errands, but one of the things I need to get this code from the donor car, which of course has Big Brother monitoring it. So I'm at the shop because they can probably tell me with their better scanner exactly what's going on with it. So I got this great big scanner here. Tell me specific Volvo codes. Turn the ignition on. Press enter for English. SV70. Engine, I think it's 4.4. Getting communication. Let me shut down this door chime. Alright, let's say that. Enter. Diagnostics test. Read DTCs. It's got one EFI 611, number 1 tank system. And I guess that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and ask them what they believe this problem is and go from there, getting this fixed. My next deal is with the door latch. The motor came apart and it's not allowing the lock to lock and unlock with the rest of the doors. So I'm going to pull this door panel off real quick, take the motor in the shop, seal it closed, and reinstall it. Start off by pulling this panel here, that little spacer there, pull that out, take this little trim off of there, pop the door loose. Move this carefully so you don't break that, because when you break it, it don't want to stay on there. Then take these screws out of the latch, pull the latch out, and unhook it from the handle cable. I went by the shop to share with them how I fixed these motors, and he gave me some good glue to put this back together. So now I'm ready to install this back in the vehicle. Alright, I have the latch back in place. I got it bolted down. I tripped the latch. I pull the handle from the outside after I make sure the knob was pulled up, and I make sure that that latch comes open when I pull the handle from the outside. It verifies that it's installed properly where it catches inside the door the way it's supposed to. So I'm ready to go ahead and put the door panel back together, but it does need glued. And let me run to the salvage yard and check a couple things. Man, I don't get what somebody did here with all of this crap. That's just nasty. Picked up a radio from the salvage yard today. Had a lot of stuff jingling around in it, and I found 12 cents. So that knocked a little bit off the cost of that. Hopefully that didn't short out anything in it. So I'll test the radio, make sure everything works. And if it works fine, I'll keep it. If not, I'll take it back to the salvage yard. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.